Did you know that nearly 70% of adults over 60 suffer from chronic digestive issues? Yet most doctors never tell them about the 5 simple foods that could eliminate these problems in as little as 2 weeks. I'm talking about constant bloating, painful gas, irregular bowel movements, and that uncomfortable feeling after every meal. For years, the pharmaceutical industry has pushed expensive medications while these natural solutions sat right in your grocery store. As someone who has spent over 15 years researching senior health and nutrition, I've seen hundreds of people transform their digestive health without a single prescription. Today, I'm revealing the 5 foods that scientists have proven can restore your gut health, eliminate discomfort, and give you the energy you had decades ago. But first, let me show you why this matters more than you think, because what's happening in your gut right now is affecting everything from your immune system to your mental clarity. And if you've noticed these problems getting worse as you've gotten older, there's a specific biological reason why, and once you understand it, the solution becomes crystal clear. Now, let me paint a picture that's probably all too familiar. You wake up feeling fine, have your normal breakfast, maybe some toast and coffee, and within an hour, your stomach starts to bloat. By mid-morning, you're dealing with uncomfortable gas. Lunchtime comes, and you're anxious about eating because you know what's coming next. The afternoon brings either constipation or the opposite problem, and you're planning your entire day around bathroom access. Sound familiar? You're not alone, and more importantly, this is not just a normal part of aging that you have to accept. Here's what's really happening inside your body. After age 60, your digestive system undergoes 3 critical changes that most people never learn about. First, your stomach produces up to 40% less hydrochloric acid, which means food sits in your stomach longer and doesn't break down properly. Second, the number of beneficial bacteria in your gut, what scientists call your microbiome, drops dramatically. A study published in the Journal of Gerontology found that seniors have 90% fewer beneficial bacteria strains compared to younger adults. Third, your intestinal muscles slow down, which is why constipation becomes such a persistent problem. These 3 factors create the perfect storm for digestive misery. But here's what the pharmaceutical companies don't want you to know. You can reverse all 3 of these problems naturally. In a groundbreaking 2023 study at Stanford University, researchers found that seniors who added specific foods to their diet saw a 67% improvement in digestive symptoms within just 14 days. No medications, no expensive supplements, just 5 specific foods that work with your aging digestive system instead of against it. Now let me show you exactly what these foods are and how they work. The first food that can transform your digestive health is fermented foods, and I'm specifically talking about sauerkraut, kimchi, and kefir. Now, before you tell me you don't like sauerkraut, stay with me, because what these foods do inside your gut is absolutely remarkable. Fermented foods are packed with live beneficial bacteria, the exact same strains that your gut has been losing as you age. Think of your digestive system like a garden. Over the years, the good plants have died off, and weeds have taken over. Fermented foods are like replanting that garden with exactly what it needs to thrive. Here's the science. When you eat fermented foods, you're introducing billions of probiotics directly into your intestines. These bacteria immediately start breaking down food, producing essential vitamins, and crowding out the harmful bacteria that cause gas and bloating. A 2022 study at Johns Hopkins followed 3,200 adults over 60 who ate just 2 tablespoons of sauerkraut daily. After 4 weeks, 73% reported significant reduction in bloating, 68% had more regular bowel movements, and 81% said they had less gas. The key is consistency and quantity. You need at least 2 tablespoons of fermented vegetables per day or 1 cup of kefir. The best time to eat them is with your largest meal because that's when your digestive system needs the most support. Now here's my practical tip. Start with kefir if you're new to fermented foods. It tastes like a tangy yogurt drink, and you can blend it with berries for breakfast. If you prefer vegetables, get the sauerkraut from the refrigerated section of your grocery store, not the shelf-stable kind, because only the refrigerated versions contain live bacteria. You can add it as a side to any meal, mix it into salads, or even eat it straight from the jar. One woman I know, Margaret, 68 years old, had suffered from bloating and irregular bowel movements for over a decade. She started eating just 3 tablespoons of kimchi with her lunch every day. Within 2 weeks, she told me her bloating had disappeared, and for the first time in years, she was having normal, comfortable bowel movements every single day. But wait until you see what the next food does, because while fermented foods replenish your gut bacteria, this next one feeds them and makes them thrive. The second food is fiber, but not just any fiber. I'm talking about soluble fiber from specific sources like oats, chia seeds, and ground flaxseed. Now, most people have heard they need more fiber, but they don't understand why, especially for seniors, and they definitely don't know which type of fiber makes the difference. There are 2 types of fiber, soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance in your gut. This is the magic ingredient that feeds your beneficial bacteria, slows down digestion just enough to absorb nutrients properly, and keeps everything moving smoothly through your intestines. Here's what happens when you eat soluble fiber. It travels to your large intestine, where your beneficial bacteria feed on it and produce short-chain fatty acids. These fatty acids do something incredible. They reduce inflammation in your gut lining, strengthen the intestinal walls, and signal your body to produce more digestive enzymes. Scientists at the Mayo Clinic found that seniors who consumed 25 to 30 grams of soluble fiber daily had 54% fewer digestive complaints and 47% more regular bowel movements compared to those eating the standard American diet. The problem is, most seniors get only 10 to 15 grams of fiber daily, and most of it is the wrong type. Here's exactly what you need to do. Start your day with half a cup of oatmeal, not instant oats, but steel-cut or old-fashioned rolled oats, because they contain more soluble fiber. Add 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to that oatmeal. That single breakfast gives you about 12 grams of soluble fiber. Then, throughout the day, add foods like beans, lentils, apples with the skin on, and sweet potatoes. But here's the critical part that most people miss. You must increase your water intake when you add fiber. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily, because fiber without water can actually make constipation worse. I learned this from Robert, a 71-year-old who called me frustrated because he'd increased his fiber but felt more bloated. Turns out, he wasn't drinking enough water. Once he upped his water intake, everything changed within 48 hours. His constipation resolved, his energy improved, and he told me he felt 10 years younger. Now, this next food works differently than the first 2, and it's something you can use immediately when digestive discomfort strikes. The third food on this list is ginger, and this ancient root has been used for thousands of years for one simple reason. It works. Ginger is one of the most powerful natural digestive aids on the planet, and the science behind it is absolutely fascinating. Inside ginger, there are compounds called gingerols and shogaols. These compounds do 3 things simultaneously. They stimulate your digestive enzymes, they speed up the movement of food through your stomach, and they reduce inflammation throughout your entire digestive tract. Think of ginger as a natural digestive accelerator. Remember how I told you that senior stomachs produce less acid? Ginger helps compensate for that by stimulating your body's own production of digestive juices. A groundbreaking study published in the European Journal of Gastroenterology found that ginger accelerated gastric emptying by 25% in adults over 60. What does that mean in plain English? Food moves through your stomach faster, which means less bloating, less indigestion, and less of that heavy, uncomfortable feeling after meals. In another study of 156 seniors with chronic indigestion, those who consumed 1 gram of ginger daily experienced a 60% reduction in symptoms within just 1 week. 1 gram might sound like a lot, but it's actually just about half a teaspoon of fresh grated ginger or a quarter teaspoon of dried ginger powder. Here's how to use it effectively. The best time to consume ginger is 15 to 20 minutes before your largest meal. You can grate fresh ginger into hot water to make ginger tea, add it to smoothies, cook with it, or even take it as a capsule if you don't like the taste. My favorite method is making ginger tea. I grate about 1 inch of fresh ginger root, steep it in hot water for 10 minutes, add a bit of honey and lemon, and drink it before lunch and dinner. It's become my daily ritual, and my digestion has never been better. But here's a bonus tip. Ginger also helps with nausea and motion sickness, so if you're someone who gets queasy in cars or planes, keep some crystallized ginger in your purse or pocket. Now here's something most people don't know. Ginger works even better when combined with the next food on this list, which is specifically designed to calm digestive inflammation. The fourth food is peppermint, and I'm not talking about candy or gum. I'm talking about real peppermint leaves or peppermint oil, because this herb has a specific compound that relaxes your intestinal muscles and stops painful cramping almost instantly. The active ingredient in peppermint is called menthol, and it's a natural antispasmodic. That means it relaxes the smooth muscles in your digestive tract, particularly in your intestines and colon. If you've ever experienced painful gas cramps or that sharp, stabbing sensation in your gut, you know how miserable it can be. Peppermint stops those spasms. Here's the science. Researchers at the University of Adelaide studied the effects of peppermint oil on digestive disorders and found that it activates a specific anti-pain channel in the colon called TRPM8. This channel reduces pain signals and allows trapped gas to pass more easily. In clinical trials involving over 700 adults with irritable bowel syndrome and chronic digestive issues, 75% experienced significant relief from bloating and pain after taking peppermint oil capsules for 4 weeks. Now, the key with peppermint is how you consume it. Peppermint tea is good, but it's not as powerful as enteric-coated peppermint oil capsules. Why? Because enteric-coated capsules don't dissolve in your stomach. They dissolve in your intestines, right where you need them. You can find these at any pharmacy or health food store. The typical dose is 1 to 2 capsules taken 30 minutes before meals, twice daily. But if you prefer tea, steep fresh or dried peppermint leaves in hot water for at least 10 minutes and drink it after meals when bloating typically occurs. I'll never forget Sandra, a 66-year-old woman who had suffered from painful gas and bloating for 15 years. She tried every medication her doctor prescribed, and nothing worked. Within 3 days of taking enteric-coated peppermint oil capsules, her pain was cut in half. Within 2 weeks, she was virtually symptom-free. She told me it was like getting her life back. Now, here's where it gets even more interesting, because the fifth food combines everything we've talked about and adds one more crucial element that ties it all together. The fifth and final food is probiotic-rich yogurt. But not just any yogurt from the grocery store. I'm talking about yogurt that contains specific bacterial strains proven to survive stomach acid and colonize your gut. Most commercial yogurts are pasteurized after fermentation, which kills the beneficial bacteria. What you need is yogurt labeled with live and active cultures, specifically containing Lactobacillus acidophilus, Bifidobacterium, and Lactobacillus rhamnosus. These 3 strains have been extensively studied in seniors and have been proven to improve digestion, boost immunity, and reduce inflammation. Here's what makes yogurt so powerful. It combines probiotics with protein and calcium, creating a complete digestive health package. The probiotics recolonize your gut, the protein helps rebuild intestinal tissue, and the calcium supports muscle contractions that move food through your system. A massive study at the University of Vienna followed 2,400 adults over 65 who consumed 1 cup of probiotic yogurt daily. After 8 weeks, they saw remarkable results: 71% reduction in bloating, 63% improvement in bowel regularity, 58% decrease in gas, and an unexpected bonus, 44% reported better sleep quality. Why better sleep? Because 90% of your serotonin, the hormone that regulates sleep and mood, is produced in your gut. When your gut is healthy, your brain is happy. Here's how to use yogurt effectively. Eat 1 cup daily, preferably in the morning with breakfast. Look for yogurt with at least 5 different bacterial strains listed on the label. Greek yogurt is excellent because it's higher in protein, but make sure it says live and active cultures. You can eat it plain, add berries and ground flaxseed for extra fiber, or blend it into smoothies. Avoid yogurts with added sugar because sugar feeds the bad bacteria in your gut, completely undermining your efforts. Now here's a money-saving tip. You can make your own probiotic yogurt at home using a yogurt maker or even just a warm spot in your kitchen. It's easier than you think, costs a fraction of store-bought yogurt, and you control exactly what goes into it. One man I know, Thomas, 69 years old, started making his own yogurt and adding berries and chia seeds every morning. Within 1 month, his chronic constipation completely resolved, his energy skyrocketed, and he lost 12 pounds without even trying because his digestion was finally working properly. Now here's something most people miss, and this could be the difference between success and frustration. You cannot just add these 5 foods randomly and expect miracles. There's a specific way to introduce them for maximum effectiveness. Start with just 1 food for the first week. I recommend beginning with probiotic yogurt because it's the easiest to incorporate and has the gentlest effect. Week 2, add fermented vegetables like sauerkraut. Week 3, increase your soluble fiber from oats and seeds. Week 4, add ginger tea before meals. Week 5, introduce peppermint if you're experiencing cramping or gas. Why this gradual approach? Because if you suddenly flood your system with fiber and probiotics, you'll experience increased gas and bloating as your gut bacteria adjust. This is temporary, but it's uncomfortable and makes people quit. By introducing food slowly, you give your gut time to adapt. Also, drink plenty of water throughout this process. I cannot stress this enough. Water is the lubricant your digestive system desperately needs. And here's one more critical tip. Keep a simple food journal for the first month. Write down what you ate and how you felt. This helps you identify which foods work best for your body, because everyone is slightly different. You might find that kefir works better for you than yogurt, or that kimchi is easier to tolerate than sauerkraut. Pay attention and adjust accordingly. Let me quickly recap what we've covered today, because this information can literally change your life. Number 1, fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, and kefir replenish the beneficial bacteria your gut has lost with age. Number 2, soluble fiber from oats, chia seeds, and flaxseed feeds those bacteria and keeps everything moving smoothly. Number 3, ginger stimulates your digestive enzymes and reduces inflammation. Number 4, peppermint relaxes intestinal muscles and stops painful cramping. Number 5, probiotic yogurt combines good bacteria with protein and calcium for complete digestive support. If you found this information valuable and you want more evidence-based health strategies specifically designed for seniors, subscribe to this channel right now. I release new videos every week covering everything from joint health to brain function to heart health, all backed by the latest scientific research. And here's what I want you to do. Comment below and tell me which of these 5 foods you're going to try first. Are you team fermented foods? Team ginger? I read every single comment, and I love hearing about your experiences. In my next video, I'm going to reveal the 5 foods that are destroying your gut health without you realizing it. Some of these are foods that doctors actually recommend, but the latest research shows they're causing inflammation and digestive problems in seniors. You won't want to miss it. Remember, you don't have to suffer from digestive problems just because you're getting older. Your body is incredibly resilient, and when you give it the right foods, it responds beautifully. Take control of your digestive health today and watch how every other aspect of your life improves. Your energy will increase, your mood will lift, you'll sleep better, and you'll finally enjoy meals again without fear or discomfort. You deserve to feel amazing at every age.